Why do we snore, and is it normal?
Definitely, snoring is not normal. It's a warning sign.
Even after 7 to 8 hours of sleep, I still feel very tired.
When you have sleep apnea, even if you sleep for 10 hours, 12 hours, you are sleeping physically, but your brain is not sleeping.
But what exactly is sleep apnea?
శ్వాస ఆగిపోవటం కానీ, గంటకి 5 సార్లు కంటే ఎయిర్ ఎంట్రీ తగ్గిపోవటం కానీ.
How does a dental appliance work for sleep apnea?
When you breathe, mandible కొంచెం వెనక్కున్నప్పుడు that obstructs and gets the tension in the muscles అన్నమాట. So because it brings the jaw forward, the airway opens and they tend to snore less.